hopefully you'll see us getting all skinny.
She's already skinny. She looks beautiful. Anyway,
You almost stepped in dog poop.
I didn't though. All right, welcome to our 2023, the Epic 23 JMT. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take you guys along on our trips, basically from nothing. Basically, Melissa and I, believe it or not, we're just day packers. We've only day packed all around the United States, Canada, Alaska, the rest of the world, all these different places, but we've never backpacked overnight. So what we're doing now is for Christmas, we bought each other backpacks and we're starting to outfit those right now.
And let me tell you, that was not easy for a little person like me. So I have some thoughts on that, but
she has a short torso. Yeah. So basically, we'll take you along. Right now, we're on a hike that we typically do.
This is our training ground, which is the Daily Ranch in Escondido, California.
And we have quite a few different routes that we take. So hopefully when we take you along on these trips that you can see different foliage and critters and all that good stuff.
So we started out by using a little bit, smaller day packs. And then we're going to start going on longer hikes with our day packs. Then we're going to use our backpacks, start filling those up, and just slam. Because you need to train. You have to be fit, sort of.
Yeah. So what we do is we typically, on a daily basis, and by the way, Palomar Airport's right there, so you're going to have a lot of wonderful... What? Exactly. Oh, by the way, Melissa's a voiceover artist when she's not out hiking, so these planes are the bane of her existence. So, anyway, like I said, we typically hike about 3.5 to 5 miles a day.
And we have been for a couple years now, right?
Yeah, exactly. We've probably done this trail that I'm on right now at least 1,000 times. So we are fit. We know what we're doing as far as day packing goes, but we're still learning on how to backpack and, do overnights and stuff like that. And we're, extensive RVers. So we basically know how to go out and prep for, long extended trips. We've sailed across the Pacific. We've driven our RV across the United States, Canada, and Alaska. So, adventure is not new to us. It's just, this is a different kind of adventure for sure. So
we want to push ourselves.
Yeah.
And, I guess for us, it's just kind of our goal. And, no matter what our health or, stuff going on in family and your work and all of that, we have made it a commitment to ourselves to just kind of carve out this time every day. And we're like, I've always had a dream of going backpacking. And so Michael and I started talking about it, and it really made sense to us.
Right.
But again, we're not experts in it, so research.
But we will be. That's the thing. So, and then what we want to do is we want to have you guys along with us, so you can become experts on our behalf.
Hey, we're nice people, and you should, think we're nice, and we give you good advice.
Yeah, exactly. And then how this all started is when we were sailing across the Pacific. Melissa was listening to a podcast, and it was all about crossing, doing the Appalachian Trail. So when we got back, we were starting to think about, hey, let's do the Appalachian Trail. But, things we started traveling via RV and all that good stuff. So we never got around to it. So,
and,
go ahead.
We do feel that backpacking is super, sustainable, and you're using less of everything, and less is more to us now.
Right. Yeah, we're definitely less is more type of people. So I don't know. What do you guys want us to do? What do you want to see? Basically, we're doing this for us, but we also want to bring you guys along as well. Sorry,
Michael.
Go ahead.
I listened to a podcast called Epic Gardening.
Oop,
Props.
where are those?
And I like the way they do their podcasts and their YouTube videos, because they start you at the beginning and they just go through stuff, even if it's 20 minutes long. And I think that's kind of what people want to see, really, what are you doing? How are you doing it? Like, give us some of the details, not just the fluff. And
Right. Yeah. We're pretty real people. So you're going to get the real stuff, not like buy now, subscribe, all that stuff. I mean, of course we want you to subscribe, but we're looking to make this an adventure for all of us, for everybody involved. So anything else? Look at that view. It's really, really pretty out there. We have a nice storm coming in tomorrow. So it's kind of wet right now where we're hiking, and that's a huge thing. We've got to figure out what kind of footwear we're going to need. I already have boots and hiking pants, and
I have way too much cotton.
Yeah. So we have to buy, a lot more, things that are not going to get wet and stay wet, like cotton.
But also keeping in that sustainable grain. We're going to start at the thrift store. We have an amazing local thrift store that has absolutely everything and really good prices. And so, the more expensive things that you kind of need, to be dialed in, you can get that at new. But for things like clothing and whatever else, we're going to start with the thrift store.
Like, I got a Patagonia taste, but I have a beer budget, so it's really hard to go out and buy all this cool Patagonia stuff, because we're just, we're trying to save money so we can live this kind of carefree life that we have and we've had for the last few years. And it's pretty bitchin'. We dig it. I don't know. Anything else, Melissa?
That's it. Share it, please. Give it to people who you think need to get off their butt and go do something that's a dream. If we could do it, we both had full-time corporate jobs. We quit, sold everything. We're down to one car. It's a process. And so if you want to know more about our process, just connect with us or put it in the comments.
Or check out our blog too, because I've blogged almost everything about this on theadventuretravelers.com.
And Michael is an amazing writer.
I've written some stuff.
You are.
But anyway, that's it. We'll talk to you guys soon, or, we'll comment back to you guys all the time. So
hopefully you'll see us getting all skinny.
She's already skinny. She looks beautiful. Anyway,
you almost stepped in dog poop.
I didn't though. Bye. Oh, by the way, right there about 3 weeks ago, I almost stepped on a rattlesnake. So luckily I didn't do that today. All right, guys. See ya.
Ciao.
Join our journey. We know you have questions and comments. The Adventure Travelers.